All right, next up we have some new Samsung advertisements mocking the iPhone 12 Pro camera. So I guess Samsung hasn't taken shots at Apple in a while. They were just like, they checked their calendar. They're like, oh, we didn't take time. We got to take some shots at Apple. We normally do that. We haven't done that in a while. And so that's what they did here. The first one, they're short clips. It's 15 seconds, so you can play it. We can get Vin's reaction.
Is there music?
That sounded like music. I would think you're going to have to mute that. I don't think you played enough of it for it to be a problem yet. So here we go. This is the commercial. Close enough? Oh, if you had the S21 Ultra, you would see the whole moon. Upgrade to Epic Zoom. All right, pause that. What do you think, Vin? All right, that's Vin's reaction.
I saw...
He doesn't need to take a picture of the moon.
I like stuff a little more edgy. This doesn't really...
Easy.
Well,
it's a family show here, Vin. So what I'll say about that one, they keep showing off the moon thing. How many times are you going to take a picture of the moon? The moon is cool, but you going to do a daily moon update? How many moon shots? Like they've used the moon scenario, but maybe it's just more of a technical prowess thing. Like it's an easy thing that everyone in the world can see with their own eyes every night.
It's also very safe
for the most part.
Yeah.
And oh yeah, okay, so that one's technically better. Their 100x zoom. Anyway, go play the next one. I think Vin's gonna like this one more because it involves food, and he's usually hungry. Your phone upgrade shouldn't be a downgrade. Here we go. Keep zooming. Here we go. Oh, pin sharp details on the grilled cheese sandwich.
Man, it's so fast you can't even analyze.
yeah, I know.
Go ahead and analyze. I mean, it's obvious. You got more zoom. You got more detail. What?
Well,
Passable.
no, the camera's good, but it doesn't appeal to me. This angle of advertising.
Oh, they're taking shots at other companies?
No, I like a good shot, but in this way, it doesn't really.
Interesting. All right. Well,
I don't use the camera that often, so.
Yeah, those stinking cameras. Why they keep putting them on there? Vin doesn't use them.
Wasn't there another somewhat recent ad from a phone company that was
better than that? You want something real funny?
No, wasn't
I don't know.
there a
I don't know.
Xiaomi one?
Did Xiaomi screw up? What happened? I don't remember.
Bring it up. Bring it up.
Oh boy.
Oh, we're sidetracking. Yes.
It was I came across it the other day. It was
wow, Vin's taking over the show right now.
it was Xiaomi. They put out an ad after the Bill and Melinda split.
Oh, on social media. That was just on Twitter. Yeah. I don't know if we may have talked about it on the show. I can't remember. But yeah, that was. Oh, you're saying this is the type of edge you're looking for.
I mean, it's.
I don't think you're going to find it. They deleted it.
Yeah.
They deleted it.
They?
You would have to find a news story that screenshotted it. I can't remember the gist of it. It was like, oh, there it is. Don't worry, we didn't leave. Yeah, you can click there. That's fine. Notebook check. Cringe-worthy. Xiaomi blows the cringe-o-meter by sending awkward tweet from an iPhone. Did you know that it was also from an iPhone? It's tweeted from an iPhone. You're getting way too much enjoyment out of this. While breaking up with your billionaire partner might not be the smartest of choices, our Mi 11 fully charges in 45 minutes using 55-wired turbocharging, meaning you are always ready to leave. Yeah, I mean, it's a bit strange. And it has Melinda on the we need to talk. Yeah, I don't know.
Badly photoshopped too.
Well,
The perspective.
well, you're not supposed to examine the Photoshop, all right?
Oh, okay. How dare I?
Yeah, I don't. Do you think somebody got fired for this? Now that Vince brought it up on the show, I hope not. Maybe get a second chance on that one.
Yeah.
Get a mulligan. That's what they say in golf. Give this person that posted this a mulligan. They're not going to tweet from the iPhone. you know, it's a lot of people, a lot of different teams work on these social media accounts. And sometimes you're gonna miss. So, but you didn't miss as far as Vin's concerned. As far as Vin's concerned, Xiaomi went right up the list. He loves it.
Yeah.
He wants more of this.
Yeah.
So
Bad marketing.
if he gets bad marketing, he may buy your product.
Yeah.
It might be a Xiaomi for Vin next. He doesn't care if the camera zooms. He doesn't care if it has a camera. He needs bad marketing.
Just more tweets like this.
That's all he needs. So anyway, getting back to the original, Samsung is just trying to differentiate. They're trying to say this is a thing that we have that we're proud of, 100x zoom. And they're reminding people, hey, maybe you want to zoom. Check us out if you do.